I want you to take a look at this. Yesterday, I was able to generate $2,100, okay? And today, I've been able to generate $2,000, and it's only 4 p.m.
Now, the method I'm going to reveal to you inside this step-by-step video is perfect because first, as you'll see in a second, this method literally takes just a few minutes and you can start to create results with it. Okay, it doesn't require you to spend any money. So if you're looking for a method that's free, this video is absolutely perfect for you. And beginners can do this. Maybe you're brand new, you just started to want to make money online. This method is perfect for the newbie or the beginner who just wants to get their feet wet and start to get money online. And the last reason this method is perfect is it can make you money for years on total autopilot. I'm actually going to share with you towards the end of the video an example of me using this method about 4 years ago, and it still makes me money to this day. Now, be sure you stay until the very end of the video because you're going to learn a way to 10x your income starting this week, and you do not want to miss this.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
Okay, so I'm on YouTube right now, and what this method is going to basically entail is finding products that you don't have to create, that you can start to earn money every time someone buys that product, but you're going to be able to sell that product totally on autopilot for years to come without creating the product yourself or even having to create the YouTube video yourself, as I'll share as you follow me in this quick video, okay? So the first thing is we wanna find a product. So how do we find a product to promote? Well, there's a lot of places online. You can go to clickbank.com. This is a place where you can find tons of products that you can become an affiliate for and start to promote and earn money every time someone buys that product. You would just sign up with a free account, and then once inside, you go to the top tab, Marketplace, and then they have all these different products down here in different categories, okay? Education, games, health and fitness. So you could go to health and fitness, for example, click on there, and basically you have a list of all these different products. And if you want to get your affiliate link, which we need to get for this simple and easy method, you just go to promote, generate hop links, and then copy this link, okay? You wanna put that maybe in a notepad, keep it somewhere handy because we're gonna need that in a second. Now, if you go to YouTube, what a lot of people don't realize is if you search something into the bar, so for our example, let's say we found a product teaching people how to lose weight. Well, you would wanna type that into YouTube because you wanna find videos that are around the topic of the product that you're gonna wanna promote, okay? So you would go to the search bar and type, for example, how to lose weight, and then you want to search that. Now what happens, obviously, is you get a list of all these different YouTube videos that have lose weight in the title. But what a lot of people don't realize is there's actually a type of video on YouTube that people give you the rights to, and you can literally re-upload this to YouTube. And it's called Creative Commons, okay? So I'm actually on Google.com's help. YouTube is owned by Google, and this is their help, and they basically say that you can actually upload, reuse it, or edit that video. So when we go to the search bar here and type in that keyword, we want to go to filter, and we want to go to Creative Commons. And what that's going to do is filter and show us all the videos that people have said we can re-upload, okay? And what you want to do is you want to find videos that seem like, they're pretty good and they have to do with the topic of the product. So how to lose weight in our example. And once you find that video, okay, so let's say this one right here, just as an example, you'd basically open it up, you'd go to the top and copy that URL, and then you can go to a website like keepvid.com, okay? And you can put that in there and then hit go. And then once you do that, you would just click download video and you would download it to your computer, okay? Now, what you would do is you would simply create a free YouTube channel if you don't have one already, and then you would upload these videos. And what you want to do is upload at least 5 videos, okay? The more the better. I mean, you can just going through the search results and downloading as many videos as possible and re-uploading onto your new channel, okay? You can make the channel all about the topic that product is in. Now, what you want to realize is once you create that channel, you're basically planting seeds, and over time, people will see that video, they will watch that video, but here's the key. Here's how we're going to make money. Remember how I said to save that affiliate link? Okay, and I'm actually going to share with you an example of a channel and video that I did 4 years ago, okay, and still makes me money. So if you've heard of network marketing, it's basically a way to make money online or offline. And I created a channel on YouTube about 4 years ago about network marketing. And so I went through and found all these Creative Commons videos and uploaded them to my YouTube channel that I had created. And you can see it right here, okay? It still exists, network marketing tips, right? And I have all these different videos that I just re-uploaded, okay? And they have all different amounts of views. Now, this video here 4 years ago got 7,800 views, okay? And if I open that video, I want you to take a look, because if we go into the description, right here was my affiliate link. So basically what happened was I uploaded a video, and then what you want to do is in the description, you want to put your affiliate link. You want to tell people, hey, if you're interested in learning more, click this link. Okay, and you can actually mask that link. You can go to bit.ly. Okay, it's a free website where you can actually put it in and it makes the link shorter, and you can do that instead. And what happens essentially is people will go to YouTube, they'll look for videos on the topic of your product that you're promoting. They'll find one of your videos that you've just re-uploaded with Creative Commons, and then underneath the video, they will click that link. And because you're promoting a good product on ClickBank, or wherever you find the product, there's other affiliate, places you can find. People will go to the sales page and they will get interested and they will buy. And when they buy, you will actually earn commissions, okay? You can see right here that I actually earned, okay, $460 a couple days ago. Okay, 460 bucks, July 1st, right? Just using a similar method. Well, there we have it, my friend. That is the easy and simple method in today's video. Be sure to comment below your results with this method, and I'd love to take a look and read that. If you got value and you want me to make more step-by-step videos just like this, be sure to smash the like button below and also subscribe so you never miss out on my weekly videos. And last but not least, ClickBank is a decent place to find affiliate products, but if you want to learn my #1 affiliate program to earn as much as $2,000 per commission, click the first link in the description and check that out on my website. I break it down and you'll see shocking results from not just me, but people from all over the world that have been using that with methods like the one I just taught. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.